now.
Okay. Now we got a package from Amazon.
Yeah.
It was a roll
Yeah.
of these LED lights. We only needed a little strip of them.
Yeah.
So we cut all these extras off.
Yeah.
For now. And we're rolling from this.
Yeah.
And it plugged into a USB.
Yeah.
And has an on and off touch switch over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So we just simply electric take this little light strip from here
Yeah.
to here over here.
Yeah.
And to power it, you have to use a USB
Yeah.
or a USB charger. You do that too.
Okay.
But this is my power bank.
Yeah.
Here. And press the button there. That turns on the lights. And there you go.
And there we go.
That's on.
That's on.
And that's off.
And that's off.
And that's on.
On. And off.
Very simple.
Very simple.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. That's all you have to do.
Yep.
All right. On again.
There it goes.
On again. Okay?
Okay.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay. Now you take it in your room.
Yep.
Okay?
Okay.
Here.
Oh, we're going to end it right here.
Well, yeah.
This is the end. Restoring video on a Montgomery A series elevator directional lantern from what department store they closed down 7 years ago?
What, Sears?
Yes.
Sears, yeah. Okay.
At what mall?
Gateway Mall here.
Here in.
In Lincoln, Nebraska, yeah.
They
Okay.
closed in 7 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
1960 through 2019.
Okay. That's it.
That's it. Bye, y'all.
Bye.